She a white devil trapped in a black woman's body, full of jealousy, hate, and envy, trying to hate on everybody. She thinks she's a hacktivist, but she's a hack presser, embodying the characteristics of a white oppressor. She mad at everyone who's got opposable digits. She's screaming, I want my thumbs, while watching thumbs on a widget. She a phony, a fraud, she a faker and shaker, got no love in her heart. She a hater creator. 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 She got no logic, she got no reason. All she spits are words used for deceiving and treason. Hate negativity all day, it don't matter the season. She got no rhyme, and she got no reason. Her name is Agatha, and it's fiction she sells. Her face should be on the cover of the movie From Hell. She pro-slavery, pro-hate, pro-disabled abuse. She's a human rights violator, no remorse, just obtuse. Obtuse.